Mortek crawlers are constructs of the Osiruk Bone Reapers that act as arcane catapults that deliver death from afar. Designed by Karatos himself, it is as much of a creature as it is a machine, and the original diagrams are still proudly displayed on the scroll-covered walls of the Mortek Chambers of Contemplation. The Mortek Crawler is a self-powered artillery device containing an aggressive animus and born to war upon dozens of skeletal legs like a centipede, and is able to fire on the move without a loss of accuracy. The winch-like apparatus at the crawler's side is powered by a turnwheel of bone run by an Osiruk of the Monial caste, who, while lacking the warrior skill, has enough to work for eternity without pause. The war visors on its vertical stanchions act as spotters and are well versed in identifying weak spots of armies and their command structures, and they decide the type of esoteric ammunition the crew at the machine's rear will load into the claw and give the command for the torsion to be released. The reloading and releasing of his arcane payload can be done in a matter of mere seconds. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.